In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your printer to mobile with an OTG cable. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Setting up your printer to be used with any mobile device, allowing you to print documents, files, images, and so on is extremely simple. You will be able to use an OTG USB adapter on Android and get this process done. So turn on the printer, and now to properly connect both devices, just connect one end of a USB cable to the printer's USB port and the other end to the OTG's cable USB port. Now plug the OTG's cable micro USB or USB-C connector into the mobile device's port. According to what port you have available, you might need to use different adapters, but all that you have to do is essentially connect the printer to the mobile device with the cable. Once you have one end of the cable in the printer and another one on the mobile device, they will now be connected. If needed, download and install a printer application and give it any permissions that are needed for it to function properly. Once you go ahead and you give the necessary permissions so- and you download any necessary plugins or apps, you will be able to open any file, image, and so on, and choose the option to print it on the newly connected device through the OTG cable. So whenever you go over to any image, tap the three dots, and then you will be able to choose print to that device. You can also connect a mobile device to a printer wirelessly, and as long as they are on the same mobile network, you will be able to once again print any desired image, file, and so on. As long as you either use the cable with the proper connection according to your device's ports, you will be able to get this done and issue any sort of print order to your printer. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect printer to mobile with OTG cable. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.